Not long ago, Salt Lake City faced a devastating kitchen fire that tore through several iconic downtown restaurants. Fire Chief Carl Lieb said, "The firefighters did a tremendous job fighting this fire, particularly given the speed at which it spread, the fuel that was available to it, and the intensity. That fuel, the grease and buildup inside kitchen exhaust systems, is what we remove." This Fire Prevention Week, remember that when it comes to fire safety, proper kitchen exhaust cleaning is crucial. At Bare Metal Standard, we are not in the janitorial business. We are in the fire safety business. And we've been setting the industry standard since 1964.